13 Tshwane Metro Police officers appearing in court on corruption charges. They were arrested in different parts of the capital. Reporter NQOBILE MADLALA is following that story for us. Good afternoon to you. Just to remind us first about the case itself, if you can. The charges relate to what?
Well, Gareth, at this point, from what we've heard, is that the charges are relating to corruption, but we'll get a clear understanding as to what kind of corruption we're talking about, because I'm joined here by MAHAMBA. And so, can you please explain to us exactly what is the corruption that they speak of?
The corruption that we are talking about is taking bribes from the motorists. What happened is that we've been getting complaints from the members of the public about our members allegedly taking bribes. Hence, we established this operation that comprises of 5 other law enforcement agencies that include the RTMC, Gauteng Traffic Police, the Hawks, and the SAPS. And as we all know by now that we arrested 11 on Friday and 2 more were arrested on a Sunday. Hence, all they were expected to appear in court today. What you can confirm at this stage is that 8 out of the 13 appeared briefly at Pretoria Magistrate Court, and the 5 are still yet to appear in chamber. The 8 that appeared in Pretoria Magistrate Court, they were granted bail. That's ranging from 1,500 up until 2.5. And their cases have been postponed. The 6 are going to appear again on the 13th of October, and the other 2 will appear on the 28th of September. But what will happen is that internally, we have also opened a case and it's being investigated. And at this stage, we are going to issue them with letters to intend to suspend them, and they should explain to the department or to the head of department as to why they should not be suspended. Failure which definitely they will be suspended while we are busy investigating this case further.
Well, talking about the investigations, you're saying that the investigations are ongoing. Just briefly explain to us if there is a problem in the TMPD that requires that kind of investigation. Is this something that you are seeing more and more?
When you get complaints, you have to deal with those complaints. So hence we have established this team jointly with other law enforcement agencies, because what we pick up is that we are getting a lot of complaints. Hence we have to act. That's why now we call all the law enforcement agencies to come and assist. And we like to assure the residents that we will deal with any corruption that involves our member. Hence, this same operation is ongoing, and currently we do not rule any possibilities for further arrests.
Thank you very much. Well, as you can hear there, Gareth, there are no possibilities that there won't be more arrests, but Isaac just saying that there were complaints that came forward and therefore they attended to them, and this was the result of those complaints being attended to.
All right, we'll wait for the next court appearance. Let's